Hey everybody, ready for another adventure? We are here today at Wolfeld Woods, Scientific Natural Area. I'm gonna check this place out. The trail I have picked out today is about 4.3 miles, I believe. And if we stick to that plan, I don't know. We'll see what we find. It is 43 degrees, a little chilly today. And it's beautiful out other than that. Let's go. Alright, so I'm about a mile in, and I've been kind of snaking through that oak grove area up there where there's no undergrowth and stuff. And I've kind of just wound down the hill here, down into this lower, wetter area. You can see this green grass. And got more plants and undergrowth growing. Some white-tailed deer moving through the forest. I don't know what they're so scared of. I'm just walking now. Yeah, they're gone. Deer are like magic. They can just disappear. You don't even hear them. They're gone. Oh, there, I see one. Right over there. There he is. Unfortunately, he probably doesn't know that I'm running the same way I'm going. Run the other way, guy. Alright guys, just want to show you what I'm dealing with here. The trail is supposed to be right in front of me. Straight ahead. Yeah. So that's the thing. I choose this way. So, I just checked my map, and apparently I'm like a half a mile off my trail, so I don't know what this trail is. It's not on my map. So I'm going to go back and try to follow the map here. Check out this tree. This is odd. I've never seen anything like this. It grew fins. It's a big fin. Very interesting. Yes. Very unique. Alright everybody, I'm about halfway. That means it's break time. Today, got myself a Coca-Cola as usual, and I have a banana and a couple of tangerines. Great, great breakfast. I haven't eaten anything today, so this is my breakfast for today. Yeah. All right, finished a break. Just came out of the woods into this, like, almost looks like an orchard. Ooh, look at this. This looks like a fuzzy murder scene. Ugh. Beautiful little pond area. The weeping willows on the other side. That looks awesome. Beautiful. Look at all those cattails over there, all fluffy and white. It's amazing. It's kind of a neat area. I've been out of the scientific natural area for a little bit. And it's just kind of been this open field area. I've crossed a couple of horse pastures, which looks like that might be one up ahead. Along with some really big, rich looking houses. But we're headed towards those woods over there, and I think we go back into the scientific natural area. Yeah, this is kind of a nice open prairie here. Beautiful. Alright, here we are. Going back into the scientific nature area. Check this out. A good old tire swing hanging in a tree. How awesome does that get? Alright, found a little section off trail here that goes over to this lake. Let's go check it out. This is Wolfeld Lake. Wolfeld Lake. Alright. Nice little beach here. Alright. Wolfeld Beach. Alright, there's some family over there. Yeah, look at those colors and those trees over there. That's awesome. A lot of these cool ravines I've been passing. I love these little areas. Kind of get a nice overlook of the forest. These always amaze me, how big these trees are. But yet, they still break down. And these are oak trees too. Pretty gnarly. Alrighty, so we made it all the way around. This is a beautiful place. It's a great place to come and get away. There work a decent amount of people here. Pass somebody every so often. So it's not that quiet, but there's some really nice trails here. A lot of nice oak grove forest. It's beautiful out here. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, so anyway, till next adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Leave a message down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite part was, what you liked, what you'd like to see more of. If you have a place I'd like to see me go, let me know. I'll check it out.